In front of me are my well-used, really dirty, actually filthy dirty microfiber towels and floor mops. Now, I've actually used these on a post-construction clean last weekend and I haven't washed them yet. But I'm about to, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to get these back looking like this. And it's a good deal easier than you think. Now, first things first. There's a few do's and don'ts with microfibers. Don't wash them with anything else. So don't wash them with towels, with cottons, with your tea towels, with any other cloths. Specifically because microfiber is very clingy, for want of a better way of putting it. It will catch on to not only dirt, but lint, other fibers, hairs, little bits of, I don't know if you can see in, of course the ones that I've gone for don't have anything stuck in them. But yeah, okay, so I've got little bits of like fibers and sticks and stuff that this towel has picked up along the way, and they really get stuck in there. So we don't want to wash our microfiber towels with anything else. Now, there's another really important tip which I will get to when we get to loading these into the washer. The second thing I like to do is I use washing soda to boost my cleaning power along with my laundry detergent. So washing soda, sodium carbonate is another name for it. You can actually make this from baking soda, and I will link my video on how to make your own washing soda at home at the end of this video. So let's get on with it. The first thing I'm going to do is obviously load these into the washing machine, and then I'm going to run through a couple of tips for how to keep these looking really well and keep them cleaning well, because if you don't do this properly, they're gonna lose their cleaning power. First things first, I'm gonna boost my cleaning power with about a half cup of washing soda. This is gonna help break down any fats and oils that are in the microfiber from cleaning, and they're also gonna break down any hard water, so we're not gonna have a crusty microfiber after cleaning it. An added benefit of this stuff is it's also gonna clean your washing machine as we use it, which is pretty awesome. The next thing I'm going to use is a plain, it can be biological or non-bio washing pod. I noticed during the edit that I kept referring to washing pods, but washing powder is also fine too. But it cannot have, and this is really important, it cannot have fabric softener, because fabric softener is going to absolutely destroy the cleaning power of your microfibers. Because fabric softener, believe it or not, and if we read the back here, what do we say? Lenore Pure Care contains a fiber smoothing ingredient that makes garments soft next to your sensitive skin. Right, a fiber smoothing ingredient is an oil, and microfibers, we go down here, are made of, they're a petrocarbon, they're a plastic. This one is polyamide and it is an oil-based fiber. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just get my cup. So it's really important that you don't use what? That's going everywhere. Of course it is. So about half a cup of the washing soda, and I'm not going to put this in the drawer. I'm going to go ahead and dump this straight on top of the microfibers. Okay, and obviously same with the laundry pod, that goes in on top here. Now I've left this little label peeking out because I've seen a few videos on YouTube about washing microfibers and it says to use cold water. I don't know why it says to use cold water when on every label of every microfiber towel or mop I've ever seen has 90 degrees on it. We wash them, or my cleaning company washes all of our microfibers at 90 degrees, and you're going to see why in about 2.5 hours. So we're going to wash these at 90 degrees. And why are we going to wash these at 90 degrees? Well, you saw how dirty these guys were. I want hot water because hot water is just better at cleaning things, funnily enough. I'm going to set my machine to a 95 degree wash. Come back to it in a few hours. One thing that I forgot to mention is that you can also use Oxy Booster, and this will sanitize and help with organic staining. Although, realistically, boiling water is going to do the same thing, and that's what you're cleaning them with. Now, you have a difficult decision to make. if you want to make your own washing soda, or if you want to learn how to microfiber mop like a pro.